Today I'm making citrus garland for the holidays. I like to hang it in windows, I like to hang it on my mantle, I like to hang it on my Christmas tree. And the best part is, if it doesn't last from season to season, I can easily add it to my compost pile and not feel guilty. Today I am slicing limes and clementines. You can also use lemons, blood oranges, navel oranges, grapefruit. I like doing a lot of different types of citrus and making separate garlands for each one and then hanging them all on the same tree. I think that looks beautiful. I'm slicing the citrus about 1/4 inch thick, and I'm doing my best to keep the slices as uniform as possible. This way they'll be done dehydrating at the same time. I have a dehydrator, but if you don't have a dehydrator, you can also use your oven at the lowest temperature setting and just keep checking them so they don't burn. In the dehydrator, I go back and forth between putting them in at 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, but on average for about 10 hours. After 10 hours, I'm going to check them and I'm going to make sure that they are completely dehydrated. The key to being able to store them for a long time is that they are completely dehydrated. These were still a little squishy, so they're getting more time. Once they're completely dehydrated, I like to store them in a glass container. You can even add a food-grade silica packet to help any extra moisture. I'm using rustic garden twine with a needle that has a very large opening, and I'm carefully threading it through 2 pieces of the citrus and pulling the twine through it, but very gently because they are a bit delicate. You can space them with whatever spacing looks good to you, and if you decide later that you haven't given yourself enough length of twine, you can always carefully slide the citrus slices further down whatever string you're using. And once you've got your desired length of garland, it's time to hang it wherever you want. I've got mine on my tree, and I'm planning on making a bunch more.